As we continue exploring how seniors over 70 can rebuild muscle and regain strength, it becomes clear that nutrition plays a more powerful role than most people ever realize. The human body is constantly in a cycle of breaking down and rebuilding tissue, and after age 70, this cycle becomes heavily tilted toward breakdown unless the right fuel is provided at the right times. This is why so many older adults feel weaker, slower, and less stable year after year, even when they believe they are eating enough. Their bodies may be receiving calories, but not the specific nutrients required to spark muscle growth. Protein quality, digestive efficiency, amino acid availability, and timing all become crucial. And this is exactly why a superfood like Greek yogurt is so transformative. It bypasses many of the age-related limitations that stop seniors from rebuilding muscle. Its high leucine content directly activates mTOR, the key biological pathway for muscle synthesis, effectively turning a switch inside the body that says, "Build muscle now." Most foods do not activate this pathway strongly enough for seniors, but Greek yogurt does, making it one of the most reliable tools for preserving independence and mobility. When amino acids enter the bloodstream quickly and efficiently, the muscles receive direct support for repairing micro tears, rebuilding fibers, and increasing strength. This is especially important for seniors who engage in even light forms of exercise, because the muscles depend on amino acids to recover and grow stronger after movement. Those who combine Greek yogurt with short daily walks, chair exercises, or simple resistance band workouts often see faster progress than they have seen in decades. Their legs feel more stable, their posture improves, their grip strength increases, and their bodies feel more capable overall. Inside the body, the benefits of this superfood extend far beyond the muscles themselves. The probiotics in Greek yogurt positively influence gut bacteria, which play a surprising role in regulating inflammation levels throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is one of the major drivers of muscle loss after 70, weakening tissue, slowing recovery, and impairing nutrient absorption. When seniors improve their gut health, they indirectly reduce inflammation, allowing their bodies to better respond to protein and build muscle. Additionally, the improved digestion that comes from probiotics increases the absorption of calcium, magnesium, and B vitamins, nutrients that keep nerves firing properly and help muscles contract smoothly. Seniors often attribute balance issues to aging, but many of these issues stem from weakened muscles and impaired nerve communication. As Greek yogurt restores nutritional balance, the nervous system functions more efficiently, making movements feel more controlled and coordinated. Another major benefit is the effect on bone health. Muscle and bone work together, and when one declines, the other suffers. After age 70, bone density declines more sharply, increasing seniors' risk of fractures. Greek yogurt's calcium and protein work synergistically to strengthen both muscles and bones, creating a protective framework that reduces fall risk. Seniors who adopt this dietary habit often report feeling sturdier on their feet, more confident on stairs, and less afraid of slipping. Furthermore, the high protein content in Greek yogurt stabilizes blood sugar, preventing the afternoon crashes and fatigue that many older adults experience. When blood sugar levels remain steady, energy levels rise, making seniors more motivated to stay active and engaged in daily life. This creates a positive feedback loop. More energy leads to more movement, and more movement leads to more muscle-building opportunities. Hydration also plays a vital role in supporting muscle strength, and Greek yogurt contributes to fluid intake while providing electrolytes essential for proper muscle function. Dehydrated seniors often feel weak, dizzy, or sluggish, but when they consistently consume water-rich foods alongside fluids, they experience noticeable improvements in physical performance. Another overlooked benefit is Greek yogurt's role in protecting cognitive function. The brain requires adequate protein to maintain neurotransmitter production, which influences mood, memory, and mental clarity. Many seniors experience cognitive decline partly because they do not consume enough high-quality protein. Greek yogurt helps bridge this gap, supporting brain health in addition to muscle strength. Studies show that seniors who maintain strong muscles often have better cognitive resilience, partly because physical strength improves blood flow to the brain. When seniors rebuild muscle, they are not just improving their physical capacity, they are protecting their long-term cognitive health as well. Greek yogurt also supports immune health, which becomes increasingly important after age 70. The probiotics help maintain a robust gut barrier, preventing harmful bacteria from entering the bloodstream. Because the gut contains a significant portion of the immune system, keeping it healthy reduces the frequency of illnesses and infections that can drain energy and accelerate muscle loss. Seniors who incorporate probiotic-rich foods frequently note fewer sick days and faster recovery. The emotional benefits of improving muscle strength deserve attention also. Many seniors experience frustration, depression, or a sense of helplessness when they lose the ability to perform everyday tasks independently. Something as simple as opening a jar, rising from a low chair, or carrying groceries becomes a challenge. But as they rebuild muscle through consistent nutrition and movement, confidence returns. Their world expands again. Activities they had avoided became enjoyable once more, and they began to feel capable and empowered. Family members often notice that seniors who adopt this lifestyle appear more vibrant, alert, and engaged. The sense of autonomy that comes from physical strength has a profound impact on emotional well-being. Another key factor in muscle rebuilding is timing. Seniors benefit greatly from consuming Greek yogurt in the morning because protein intake early in the day helps prevent muscle breakdown and fuels metabolism. A second serving later in the day, especially after light exercise, provides the body with the resources needed for muscle repair. Some seniors even enjoy it as an evening snack, supporting nighttime recovery. Consistency is more important than quantity. The body responds best to steady, daily intake. One of the most impressive aspects of Greek yogurt is its versatility. Seniors who prefer savory flavors can mix it with herbs to create nutrient-rich dips or spreads. Those who prefer sweeter profiles can add fruit, cinnamon, or a touch of honey for a balanced meal. Greek yogurt can also replace higher-calorie, lower-nutrient foods like ice cream, mayonnaise, or sour cream, improving overall diet quality without sacrificing satisfaction. Because it is inexpensive, widely available, and easy to prepare, it fits seamlessly into almost any lifestyle. Seniors with difficulty chewing or swallowing who struggle with meats or dense proteins find Greek yogurt especially beneficial because it provides high-quality protein without requiring effort to eat. This makes it suitable for individuals with dental issues, reduced appetite, or digestive challenges. As seniors invest in their muscle health through this simple dietary addition, they begin to notice improvements not only in strength, but in posture, balance, coordination, and endurance. Their risk of falls diminishes, their walking speed increases, and their overall sense of vitality improves. This transformation is not superficial. It represents real regeneration at the cellular level. Muscle fibers repair themselves, nerves communicate more effectively, and the metabolic system becomes more efficient. The body becomes more resilient to stress, and daily tasks become easier. The journey toward rebuilding muscle after 70 does not require drastic changes or overwhelming routines. It simply requires providing the body with the right resources. Greek yogurt is a superfood not because it is exotic or trendy, but because it meets seniors where they are, offering potent nutrition in a form that is easy to consume, affordable, and scientifically backed. By making this food a daily habit, seniors can extend their independence, enhance their quality of life, and protect their bodies from the physical decline that so many assume is unavoidable. The message is clear. With the right nutrition, strength can return, mobility can improve, vitality can grow. Aging does not have to mean weakness. With consistency and nourishment, seniors can rebuild the strength to live life fully, confidently, and with dignity.